Melbourne is now fully in the Holi mood. Holi is a colorful traditional festival of India celebrated every year, signifying the win of good over evil. This festival is celebrated by sections of various Hindu or religions. Burning effigy symbolizes the destroying the evil thoughts in your mind. This is celebrated by throwing organic washable colors on each other, organized by across Melbourne, south, east, west and north. This first event was held on 1st of March at Wyndham Vale, Werribee, with a splash of color, music, the Bollywood dancing and procession by Hare Krishna movement. Lots of good Indian food was available and many small businesses were set up their promotion stalls. Wyndham councillors and other VIP and sponsors were present to support the event.
लाल रंग आपकी गालों के लिए, काला रंग आपके बालों के लिए, नीला रंग आपकी आंखों के लिए, पीला रंग आपके हाथों के लिए, गुलाबी रंग आपके सपनों के लिए, सफेद रंग आपके मन के लिए, हरा रंग आपके जीवन के लिए। इन 7 रंगों के साथ DDN की तरफ से आपको होली मुबारक और शुभकामनाएं।
Councillor Nimtaz Khan, can you tell us about this festival?
Thank you, Mr. Nandaji. The Holi festival is one of the biggest events in India, and we are proud to be celebrating here in Wyndham City Council. Now, Holi and Diwali, and there's some other major festivals, are part of the traditional Indian culture. We are celebrating them here in Wyndham City. I'm proud to be born in India, Rajasthan, and being elected as a local Wyndham City councillor here. We support multiculturalism, and this is just one of the example here we're supporting it now. The people just not coming here for Wyndham City Council, they are also coming from all over the Melbourne, and even some of them have come from the other parts of the cities here. This festival is about throwing colors on peoples, and it's all about showing the respect and understanding and loving each other. That's the major concept behind the Holi. Now, I have celebrated Holis in India when I was a child, in the streets and mahallas, and this is great to be see here what we're doing. In fact, I can say that now, because in India, like you only in your own street and mahalla or state, here we are celebrating with the Rajasthan, Punjab, South India and other states. So that's more enjoyable than we celebrate in India. And obviously, there are a lot of dignitaries coming. John Rand come today, which is our local MP from the local cities, is Lalore, and my fellow councillor Bob Fairclough, Gautam Gupta, Heather Marcus, and especially we have appearance from everyone loves the Indian cricket. And obviously Australian cricket and Indian cricket have always a combination and respect each other. There's Nathan Kim to obviously attend the function. So that's a great event we're seeing it now. All I can say, this function will grow more to come, and especially for those people celebrating this, organising this function, such as Vinay and his wife and his vice president, and also the Anand. All these guys have worked really hard, and I understand that, to do that kind of function, it takes a lot of encouragement. It's a great success to be. There's a lot of people out here, and everybody enjoying it. You can see my full of my colour. I enjoy myself, and all the best for everybody. Thank you very much.
On Cricket World Cup front, the ICC World Cup matches were organized, progressed with Pakistan beating Zimbabwe, Sri Lanka beating England, India beating UAE, and New Zealand beating Australia, South Africa beating West Indies, and so on. A mix of musical concert, Holi and cricket was the flavor of this week. And now, few upcoming events. AIII Diwali Mela 2015 on Saturday 7th March from 11:30 to 6 p.m. at the Tatterson Park, Springers Leisure Centre, 400 Cheltenham Road, Keysborough. Event is free. Sri Durga Temple Holi Festival on Sunday 8th March 2015 from 11 am to 5 pm at 705 Neil Road, Rockbank. Event is free. Jeffrey Iqbal Show on Sunday 15th March at the Melbourne National Theatre, 20 Carlisle Street, St Kilda, Melbourne at 6:30 pm. Indian Film Festival 2015 Western Union Short Film Competition. Last date to is 15th March 2015. Details iffm.com.au. Mumba Festival from 6th to 9th March in the city. Information at melbourne.vic.gov/Mumba. Swami Ramdev Yoga Meditation and Well-Being event will be held in Melbourne on the 10th of April 2015. Thank you for watching DDN. DDN broadcasts every Sunday at 2 p.m. If you have any queries and suggestions, please email to program@desiduniyanetwork.com.au. See you next time.